Hello grade 10s. Today I'm looking at task 8 of the isometric exercises. I see in my textbook it says it's on page 54. It says figure 8 shows 3 views of a shaped block drawn in third angle orthographic projection. That's important to remember. Convert the orthographic views into an isometric drawing. So we've got to take that drawing and convert it into our isometric drawing, and I've got the same drawing on page 65 of my workbook drawings. So if we can get that out, task 8 of our workbook. Also grab a spare blank piece of paper just to do some sketching. As we're getting started, we need to remember the positioning of the views. The most important view is the front view. Now the front view would be this view because it is common to the top view and to the left view. Remember, third angle is the truth, so our positioning would be as follows. The front view, top view goes on top, the left view goes on the left, the right view would go on the right if they'd given you the right view. Remember as well the symbol for third angle. The symbol is the tapered roller. So a roller that is tapered slopes. That is always the front view. Now the circles are always the left view, and in third angle the circles are on the left. So that was the symbol for third angle. So this is what they've got. In order to try and get us to position this drawing correctly, they've said make point A here the lowest point. Now I've got an isometric grid here, and what I want to look at is maybe just doing a sketch before I get started to help me when I'm going to do my drawing. The first thing that I'd want to do is have an isometric axis. So my vertical line, my 30-degree line sloping to the right, my 30-degree line sloping to the left. This is the front view, that is the left view, so the left view they want to see on that side, and the front view they want us to see from this side. So in this shape we've got a bit of a step going back. So it's 30, 40 and 50 here. And our length dimension is 60. So that's roughly going, there's 20, 30, 40, 60. So that would be my front view shape. Now after 20 there was this side. Then we've got the steps going back. So there are the steps. I think that's a little bit long. Sorry, that's got to come across here. So there's my step shape. This goes back then to this wall. The wall then goes up a height of 70. It went across 20. Down 20, across 20, up 20, I ran out a bit of space there. So there's a rough guideline of what I'm going to need to be doing. I'm now going to mark off the length dimensions that I needed at the bottom here, which was the 3 measurements of 20, and the height at the bottom here was 15. There I've got my lengths of 20 and my height of 15. I'm now going to project that towards my left view so I can mark off the distances there. I'm marking off my width dimension here of 50. Then we've got distances from the back. They've measured a distance of 30, 40, and then obviously the last one. Now I'm going to take those measurements across. So in this shape that I've got here, there are the steps that I can see, and very lightly those would also be going down. To get the bottom edge of those steps. On this side I've got my back wall going up, and the thickness of 15. Now I need to mark off my height of 70. On this side it was a height of 70 minus 15, so 55. And then we've also got that height of 25 for the little part that's cut out. Let's project that now. I need to mark off my distances of 20 and project those. And in that shape we've got our outline, and I'm now going to go over it in dark lines. Now remember, for me the best option is to try and work all of your vertical lines at one stage, 30 degrees sloping to the right in one go, and then the 30 degrees going in the other direction in one go, so you don't sit and rotate your set square the whole time. So again, if we start on the left hand side here with my vertical lines, and then darken these lines up. The feedback that your drawing is going to give you is if these don't match up when you've projected them, then you need to check. Maybe your T-square wasn't straight when you did your drawing and it's caused your lines to be skewed. Obviously your vertical lines are a little bit easier to see if you've done them correctly. You're a little bit more used to seeing vertical lines and can assess whether they have gone skew. With time you'll also look and see at your 30-degree lines and pick up whether they have gone skew or not. There I have projected all my 30-degree lines going left, and I'm going to finish this off with my 30-degree lines going up to the right. There you have your completed drawing of task 8. In my workbook it's on page 65, on the textbook on page 54.